So a quick tour of our factory. As you can see here is some tooling that we developed for one of our clients, where they want to be able to have a universal tooling fixture so they can actually use a number of different IHX hoses. These will go into a vacuum chamber. We tested that tooling in one of our center units. Standard configuration for a vacuum. Here we're not cycling it, but those tooling trays would fit right in there. And here's an example of some of our other tools that we have that are in the process of being shipped to a client. So these are being shipped to a client. Just finished the factory runoff. Same here. And this one is simply waiting for a printer in order for that to be shipped out. Down over here, again, you can see some sample parts that we're actually running here, fuel rails and etc. Here you can see our separate standard configuration, dual chamber, high throughput. Also configured for IHX, where we have a patent that's pending. Down over here, you're going to see some tooling, and to the right-hand side, you're going to actually see a welding shop. The tooling over here is for some clients, is where we're doing some build-up, and we're also working on some helium recovery systems. If I take your attention over here to the center, another thing that we've been doing for some of our clients is testing some prototype parts before they ship out. So in this case, rather than putting in a vacuum chamber that they wouldn't have themselves, we do some testing here to find out what is a leak rate on those particular parts. Here we're showing testing for a fuel rail system. Putting ourselves over here is an example of some of the diversity of the type of vacuum testing that we do. So over here you can actually see us testing gas systems. So in this case, gas is coming in, and when you think about this, the failure rate needs to be extremely low. Because even if there's just 1 out of 1,000 or 1 out of 10,000, it could be a real problem for